Construction exercise 14.1 already started. Question number 1 to 3 done. I hope you have constructed properly, but without proper concentration and without listening properly it will be difficult for you, so please listen carefully. Exercise 14.1 question number 4 now. Construct a parallelogram ABCD where AB is given 3.6 cm, BC 4.2 cm, AC 6.5 cm. Till this much only will be your question. After this they are telling us to draw the height so and so, that is not required. Only you will construct a parallelogram with these measurements. That only will be your question. Second part is not required. So in your solution you write parallelogram ABCD and write down the measurements. Then draw the rough sketch properly. AB is given 3.6, BC is given 4.2 and AC is given 6.5. Since in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal, so this also 3.6, this is 4.2, this also 4.2. Then this we will draw at first, that is first step, 3.6 cm. Then 6.5, this will be our second step, this will be our third step, so this triangle we will get. Then fourth step and fifth step we will complete the parallelogram. So first you draw one straight line, measurement 3.6 cm. Measurement 3.6. So place your scale up to 3.6, you draw a line, mark by A, B 3.6 cm. Now your second step 6.5 cm. In your rough already I have marked. Then 6.5, you take the measurement accurately. After measuring 6.5, put the compass at A point, make one arc, big arc. Then third measurement 4.2, that's your BC. So measure 4.2 accurately. Then from B point cut this one. This intersecting point will be C. Join AC and BC. This is 4.2, this is 6.5. Now your fourth step 3.6 is the measurement, that's your CD. So take the measurement 3.6. Take the measurement 3.6. From C point you just make this arc. From C point just make this arc. Another measurement 4.2. Take the measurement 4.2. From A point you just cross this one. So 3.6 from C point make the arc. 4.2 from A point cross. This intersecting point will be D. Join AD and CD. Your parallelogram will be ready. Put the measurements everywhere properly. Question number 4 is completed. Here second part is not required. Now question number 5. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD when AB is given 5 cm, BC 4 cm, AD 3 cm, CD 6 cm and BD is 5 cm. Here also second part is not required. Only you will draw this quadrilateral. So in your textbook second part is available, I think one more part that is not required. So quadrilateral ABCD, take all these measurements, draw the rough sketch. ABCD, AB is given 5 cm, this is 4 cm, CD 6 cm, this is 3 and BD is given 5 cm. So estimate from where to start. This is your first step. This will be your second step, 5 cm. This I'll take as a third step. This side triangle I'll make it first. Then fourth step and fifth step will complete our quadrilateral. So first you draw a line, measurement exactly 5 cm, that is AB. After that second step is 5 cm. In your rough I have taken already. So you will measure 5 cm exactly. By measuring 5 cm from B point, make this arc. Your third step measurement is 3 cm. See the rough sketch. Take the measurement 3 cm. Then from A point cross. This is your D point. Join these two. Write down 3 cm, 5 cm. Now your fourth step 6 cm. Take the measurement accurately 6 cm. By taking 6 cm measurement, your fourth step is from D point you just make this arc. This will be your fourth step. Then fifth step, measurement is 4 cm. Check the rough sketch. Already I have written. By measuring 4 cm from B point, you cross this one. This will be your C point. Join BC by scale pencil and CD also. Write down here 4 cm, 6 cm. So your quadrilateral is completed. Very simple. Only listen carefully with my instruction. Try to make it. I hope you can do it. Now last question from first exercise. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB is given 3 cm, BC 4, CD 5.5, DA 6 and BD 9. In your answer, take this measurement first. Draw the rough sketch. AB 3 cm, BC 4, CD 5.5, this is 6 and BD is 2. So this will be your first step. This is second step. This is third step. You have to estimate in your rough. This is fourth step and fifth step. Now according to this marking, I will move. First, AB measurement 3 cm. So place your scale, measure 3 cm, one line. Mark by AB 3 cm. Now your second step, BD 9 cm. 9 cm is very big. So you take the measurement according to your scale up to 9 cm. Then from B point, put your compass, measurement 9 cm, make this arc, big arc. Now third step, CD measurement 6 cm. So measure 6. By measuring 6, from A point, cross. This is your D point, join AD and BD. So your triangle is ready. Now your fourth step is 5.5 cm. Measure 5.5. From D point, make this arc. Then your fifth step measurement is 4 cm. So measure 4 cm. From B point, cross. This is your C point, join BC and CD. This is 4 cm, this is 5.5 cm. Your quadrilateral is completed. So listen this video again and again for all these instructions and draw the construction in a proper way. With this, our first exercise 14.1 completed. Bye for today.